Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a South Bend Heavy 10. It's a 10 by 36 lathe with 1 3/8 spindle hole, taper attachment, Aloris Toolpost, Morse Taper 2 tailstock with a chuck, faceplate, live center, South Bend 4-jaw chuck. This is Camlock spindle, collet adapter, Handwheel collet drawbar, buck 6-inch Adjust-Tru chuck with the standard jaws and the OD jaws, and then the chuck keys. When this machine came in, it had a rocker tool post on, so we put an Aloris on it. It didn't have any blocks around, but we put that on. It's much better than a rocker. Wired 230 460 3-phase. It's easy to change the motor if you want to change the motor. We're missing the sheet metal cover from this side. If I get a chance, I'll see if I can make a cover, but right now that's what we have. All original paint. This machine came out of a Fortune 500 company from one of their local facilities. Don't know what they were doing over there because they had a lathe, a mill, a bunch of sheet metal machines, but they did no manufacturing, so must have been some kind of prototypes. Machine was barely used. I just spent the past 20 minutes freeing everything up that's gummed up from the Cosmoline. But we'll run it. It's in the back gear right now, so it's in the lowest speed. First speed. Third speed back. Carriage feet forward. There you go, fast speed. These are Hardened Ways. They're in excellent shape. There's no wear whatsoever on them. There's your taper attachment complete with the bed clamp. It's just super conditioned machine. So check this machine out and more on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.